There you go. Testing, testing. Let's see if you guys can get some music as well. That would be nice. The aux. That should be, oh, maybe I should. I don't think that matters. There we go. Just lower it a bit. There you go. Let's just test that everything is working, so that I don't stream for hours to no one. That would be bad. Oh, there's quite a delay. I didn't know. Let's just test that everything is working, so that I don't stream for hours to no one. That would be bad. Okay, seems good. Now the music is a bit too loud for me, but I can do like this. Probably, and then we can get to work. So let's see here. Sorry, I just have to like set everything up. This is my first time streaming, if you guys didn't figure that out already. So this is like completely new to me. Okay, do you guys see Blender nicely? Okay, let's see. So, welcome guys. Everything is working? Awesome. Okay, I'm just going to open a window. Got quite hot in there. So, what we're going to do today, guys, is that I just follow this like Blender tutorial, right? Where I just made this donut. You've probably seen the tutorial by Blender Reviewer, I think. If you're into Blender, so you know what I'm talking about. I just did that one, and I think it went quite well. Usually I'm not like a big advocate for watching tutorials to learn, but what I usually say like on my channel, just so nothing is like confused with contradicting myself, is that you should watch like an introduction video to like start learning game development. That's usually what I say. And then you should start experimenting. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to start experimenting, and I'm going to learn Blender hopefully. So the goal today is to make like a big red button, and obviously that's not that hard. I can probably do it right now, like this or something. I could probably do it right now, but I want it to be really good because my game is called Forbidden Buttons. So the button is going to be very, very central in the game, and I want it to be unique, and I want it to be a good model. I want it to be like a really iconic thing. So we're just going to make some relevant things. Hopefully by the end of the stream, I'll stream for a few hours. We're going to have a podium or a button, or hopefully both, that I can use. The goal is the button, but preferably a podium as well. So, let's just get started. So I'm going to make a few different models. I was thinking. I don't have like a specific plan or anything, but I was just going to make some specific model. Maybe I need to increase my gain a bit. Maybe it's a bit quiet for you guys. I just came up with that now. Let's see. Oh, that might be a bit. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo. Oh, sorry. Yo. There we go. Okay, should be better now. Yeah. Should be good now. Okay. So, the goal, make a button. So I'm just going to experiment. I'm going to try and see what I can do. So the first thing I was thinking is I can make some like podium thing. Make like a podium. So the first thing I need to do is figure out how a podium looks like. Podium. For a button. Yeah, with red button. I use some like placeholder. Yeah. Like this. This is kind of what I want. Like this. Yeah, this is good. I mean, these are not for like buttons. These are for like speaking and stuff. Oh, this is really good. This is like a model as well. Maybe I can use this as like reference. Oh, this is good. It's a bit too thin though, but yeah. Let's say if I just download this, and then I just use that as a reference. Hopefully I don't have anything like naughty in my file explorer. Should be good. No. Okay, so we're learning. We can only import things in object mode. Now we know, guys. Now we know. Here we go. Okay. I don't think I'm going to model like from this directly because it's very simple. It's like a long square basically with some like shapes. Some like it goes like slightly in here, but I'm just going to look at this. So this is going in at the wrong angle. I remember that I should do just like X90 there. And then maybe I can make it a bit bigger. Y. It's also a bit confusing that in Blender the directions are different from Unity. Like Z is up and Y is like the depth, I think, or X. I'm not sure. I don't even think you can like differentiate those, but maybe there's a way to change that. Vector. Because it's quite confusing. Obviously I'm going to get used to it, but maybe it's like some extension. Direction. Input. Navigation. Oh, it's probably here, navigation. Maybe it's also a bad thing because then my files and stuff are going to be like different than other people's conventions. So yeah, like it's going to be different from the standard convention. That might be a bad thing. Yeah, maybe I should just like skip it. Yeah, probably a bad thing. Bad idea as well. Okay, so let's start with the podium. Object mode, okay. We need to make it longer. It's just like straight up, so I don't think I need to extrude. Or do I? Because this needs to be like thinner. So maybe extruding isn't a bad thing. Maybe extruding isn't a bad thing, guys. If I look at this, it's like it's actually going like straight down. So what's the difference between like doing this? I think this can work. This is what I did on my when I used ProBuilder to make like the basic prototype podium in my game. I just like kind of did this. I want to make it even though. The snapping here is a bit too big. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Maybe just 2. Oh. What? Okay. Hold control shift 1, 2. Control shift. What? 1. Oh, that's my what? What's happening? What? What? Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, so like that. Now maybe we can make this like a bit thicker. That's a bit too much. What's Oh, I think I can just like write. Yeah, I can just like write the values. Okay, so that's going to be 0.2. Oh, that's good. Okay. So I can just like do this. Then I can write 0.2. Oh, that's really nice. Yeah. And then on this one as well, I can just like move it like this way. I can write like my. Oh, I can write minus 0.1. Then it's going to move that. That's awesome. It's really convenient. Okay, so now we know. But now I only check. It's uneven already. Are you serious with me? It's probably just like this one. Okay, now I only changed the sides here. I also need to like indent this. Okay, now we can do the technique that I used. Okay, so we just write 0.2, then minus. This one as well. 0.2 minus. What is this? I mean, we can just like eyeball it. Okay, we're just going to eyeball it. I don't want to spend more time on this. Okay, so now we have the table here. Make it a bit bigger, like this. Okay, that looks better. Then there's also some like floor here. Could I use this and then duplicate it? That's Shift D and Z, slightly down, make it bigger. Then I would need to Shift D again, move it up, and then somehow I would need to connect these, but I have no idea how to do that. Just connect? No. Connect the pairs? No. I think the simplest is just going to be to make a new model, to be honest. Probably a cube. I could also add the just like have the plate here. Oh, now it's like changing these things. Okay. No, it's uneven again. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I was thinking maybe the best thing would just be to like have this, make it a bit bigger. This is just like to see how thick it is. and then just add the solidify. Maybe that's the best. Because in the tutorial, the thing is that they didn't really go over like when you should use the solidifier versus when you should just like make it thicker. So I kind of have no idea, to be honest. I actually have no idea. But I mean, this works, of course. Oh, I could also just apply this. Like this. There we go, now it's applied. And then I might want to make this like go slightly in. Like this. Like that. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I like that. I don't like this song, by the way, it's horrible. Okay, so the podium is kind of finished. I can add some textures. That was very simple. Like concrete. Concrete. Free. There we go. But now it's very stretched. So if I remember correctly, there was this one thing I had to do. It's like something to do with eye or something. Right, like I mean, we can deal with that later. Let's just try to make a button. Okay, we'll deal with it later, guys. That's how you do modeling, right? I'll deal with it later. Okay. This is like a half circle, but it's like kind of stretched upward. And then there's this plate here, which I think we can just simply make with maybe we can just make it a part of the podium itself. So I can do this. I can extrude like this. Then I can size that one down. Oh, that's actually, yeah, that's actually good. It's actually good because there's going to be like a button there either way. It doesn't need to be flat. It just needs to be like flat on this. Yeah, so this can be sloped. That doesn't matter. I think that's good, yeah. Then we're going to add the button. So the button is going to be a sphere, I assume, and then we just take this and we just cut it in half, I assume. Maybe a bit more than half. Oh, that's not very straight. Looks good, vertices. Does it have a face now? Okay, it still has a face, but it's hollow inside. Okay. I get that. Oh, there's also this like thing in the middle we need. Okay, so that's going to be a cylinder. And then we're going to make it smaller. And also, that can't be that long. Nah, I think we can just like scale it down universally like this. It's not floating now because there's no like snapping, so it's hard to tell. And that's also much bigger than I want. Oh, it's still concrete. Maybe I need to separate them. That's probably a good idea. Go away. I should separate them, especially the button top here. Okay, I think I kind of fucked up. Yeah. Maybe I can just go back. Might be easier. Okay, so M. No, P. Yeah. There we go. P. Selection. There we go. Now we have cube 1, which is going to be our button base. We have our cube, which is going to be the podium. Then we have the button top. Let's just texture them real quick, so it's very easy to see the difference. If they had red, I don't need a texture for this. I can just like delete this, new, make it red. Let's make it pure red. There we go. Why did that change the podium though? Why did that change the podium but not the button? That makes no sense at all. Okay. I think I see the problem. I think the problem was that I just like replaced this with what I wrote here or something. That everything with this just became what I wrote here. I think that was the problem. I'm not sure, to be honest. Not sure, guys. So to remove it's probably just this button. Yeah. Then this can be in the middle. I remember from the tutorial, don't use pure white or pure black, I think. So I'm going to use like a gray. Then also we can cannot do that. We can shade it smooth. Does that make it okay? Yeah. Looks good. Now let's put it on this thing. Okay. It's the button base. The button top. It's hollow, so it can be like kind of here, right? And then it would make sense for this to like go in. But that's kind of weird, isn't it? Where is it? Maybe this is just like my unique style of buttons. They just cave in. They're just like a Kevin button. I think this is like some. Oh no, I think it's normal, but it's like a specific type of buttons. You know, the ones that you have like on some industrial thing, for example. Maybe I can find an image. Industrial word button. It's more like this. Like this, where it's like caving in. And it's not like exactly what, like motor. Something on the motor. I mean, this doesn't cave in, but it goes like down and stops, I guess. I actually think that works. Like this. But it makes no sense though. Like, where does the button go when you press it? Is it just going to get squeezed into this like button base? It's not very well thought out. And also this is a like crazy stretch. How did I fix that? I did like something similar to this, but I don't remember how I did. Also, let me just check the audio on the stream after I increase the gain. It might be horrible. I'm not sure. Also, let me just check the audio on the stream after I increase the gain. It might be horrible. I'm not sure. Oh, you guys barely hear the audio though. That's the problem. Um, is that too loud? Okay, that's better. There we go, guys. There we go. Some technical adjustments right there. Let me increase the gain a bit more so you guys can hear me loud and clear. Let's go. Let's go back to the molding. I might have got distracted because this is hard. This is really hard. I don't know what to do. I know what to do. It's just like experiment. Maybe I'm hiding this. Sorry. I just need to like experiment. Makes more sense to like give it outward actually than inward, or like straight down like this. That makes more sense. And then this top hair should be maybe I can have a top view. Maybe I can have a top view. There we go. What? Okay, let me select these. This one, this one, this one. This is my very ineffective. I'm sorry. This one, this one. Move it up. It's horrible. What? It's absolutely horrible. It's like, maybe I can include these as well. Oh, I know. I'm sorry, guys. I know a faster way to do this. Like this. Oh, this. Oh, hold up, shit. Then I don't get the, like the middle. Ah, this is tricky. Oh. This is really tricky. Maybe what I have to do is I need to there's like some thing that you do, like something to do with I. I just don't remember. That's the problem. Let's look at this. Okay, it can't be that hard to make a button. What did I do? What is this? What? Oh, why am I opening this all the time? Oh, what? Oh, that was just me. What? Like seriously, what did I do? How did this get there on only one side as well? That makes no sense. Okay, let's just have like a little break. Let's make this smooth. Okay, that looks much better. Okay. I need to search this up. There was like, let's focus on the UV thing here because that's easy. Okay, there was this one thing. Blender insertion. Hotkeys I to inset. Oh, inset faces. Okay. Use an edit mode to create new geometry inside selected faces. Allowing for inward or outward extrusion without alternating the mesh overall shape. This is what we want for the UV unwrapping, right? Okay, so the first thing we do, we select one of these. Then I click I. And then there's like... What? I'm like in the correct thing. It's like inset faces. But when I did the Blender tutorial... Oh, my camera died. Give me a second. Shoot, there we go. When I did the Blender tutorial thing, it wasn't as hard. That was like, I just... And why is it not selecting the whole row? When I did the Blender tutorial thing, I clicked like I, and then there was this like thing that came up. What if I read this thing? What if I try to read more about this? Okay.
Insetting has loads of neat tricks in Blender.
Why is it always like low quality when you click on the
Insetting
preview
has
in Google?
loads of neat tricks in Blender. Just press I to inset and then click to confirm. You can also press I to inset and partway through, hold down the control key, move that inset face up.
That's exactly what I did. What? And why is it not selecting the row? It makes no sense. It's literally here. It's like, bro, select these. Okay. Why? Oh, there we go. Okay, that's good. Now we can select like this. Oh, nice. Now we do the same thing here. Does it select the... It does, but when I click... Maybe it's because it's sloped. Maybe that's the problem, guys. What if I do... Why is it not selecting the row here either? What? Does it just hate me? Does everything just hate me today? I'm like holding down Alt, and this works like here, but it does not work here. And now it works here suddenly, but it does not work here. It does not work here. It does not work here. What? Maybe Maybe if I do that like this, seam. Oh, I'm so clueless. Um, and also, was this here before? I'm not sure. Hopefully the inset is going to fix this problem. Oh, I need to hold that shift. Fuck. This is like at the bottom. Okay. The top here looks good, the bottom also looks good already. There's nothing to do here. I actually don't know. So we're actually trying to do the things, but I kind of gave up on this to make this look good. This is like, okay, this is what we have. That's just how it is. But I want to fix this. Maybe I should just use the hidden weapon. Do I do it? I mean, I don't want to be stuck the whole stream, so we better do it. How do I fix this? I'm not even sure it's called UV wrapping. I just wrote some things. There's nothing called UV wrapping, it's UV unwrapping. I'm so stupid. It's a process of flattening a 3D mesh into a 2D plane. Is this... It's more like the stretching. I think it's like better to call it stretching. But we can try. Okay, first thing. Select the pillar. Done. Control A. Oh. In object mode. Okay, Control A. Choose scale. Okay. Apply object transformation. Okay. If you skip this, Blender can map textures in a warped way, especially after resizing objects a lot. Okay. Re-unwarp the top properly in edit mode. Press 3 for face select. Okay, we can do that. Then select the top face. Must be this one then, because that's the only one I can select. And why? Oh, this is what the inset did probably. Duplicated the inside. Because if I delete this, nothing happens. I can actually just delete this whole thing. Okay. Weird. Select the top face. How do I do that? Okay, like this. Press U. Okay, press U. Unwrap. No, choose from project view. Never done this before, but okay. This one looks good. U. Unwrap. Oh, really? It was that simple. It was just... We could just like click unwrap. Okay. To be honest, guys, I don't even know what an unwrap is. Good to be honest. I don't even know what it does. Okay, let's do the same here as well. I'm learning though. I'm learning. So don't get frustrated by this taking like a long time. I'm actually learning now. Oh no, it's you. Unwrap angle. Looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good. Nice. And this is the render. Apparently. Should we try to implement this into the game, guys? I just have no idea why this is fucked up still. I actually have no idea what I did. But the podium looks nice. It's like textured nicely, done nicely. Oh, what I should do is I should make this like smoother. The material on this one, but it still has concrete. I don't know why. Oh, it's still on the podium. Why? Like selected the podium. I don't care about the podium now. I want to. Oh, it's because I'm in edit mode. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now, metallic. Should it be metallic? Is a button metal? Metal? Is a button? Is a button made of metal? Yes, buttons are made of metal. Okay, so let's say 0.5. That is good. Roughness. Oh, that's glossy as hell. There we go. Looks good. I'm not sure about what I think about. I'm not sure what I think about the concrete here though. Plain paint. Maybe this is more beautiful. Oh, this one is nice. I like this. Apply. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is too white. I like this. No UV. What did we call it? Unwrapping needed. That looks good. Oh, there's even like models there. Oh, I didn't know. Headphones. It's a free model. Okay, and I don't need that though, but thank you, I guess. Let's just like delete this. Maybe save the material. How do I do that? Unlink. What happened now? Market asset. I mean, it's just like, doesn't really matter. Who cares? Also, I don't think this new one needs a the same material. It would be better if this just had like a. If this was just grayscale, to be honest. Yeah, that's all ones, right? And then I can just lower this like this. Okay, so let's make the button again. Let's go. Maybe we should look at some more buttons before we make this button. Red button. Because if you don't already know, I have this like game. Please don't mind the placeholder art. I'm waiting for my artist. That's why I'm not like promoting this game as much now. Because the art here is just AI slop fucking shit. Because yeah, I was too late getting an artist, and then I got scammed, and yeah, it's horrible. So that's why it's like horrible now, but I'm working on this game, so you can wishlist it if you want to. I've already done it like multiple times. not sure why it still prompts me to do that, but I can just like farm wishlist. Let's go. But yeah, you can go check out the game if you want to. This is what I'm making. So I just have this like placeholder button now, which looks horrible. It's just like a fucking cube, which is off center decal, and then some text, and then some black texture, and then some free low poly, not even subdivided button. Yeah, so that's why I'm making a red button today. And I also wonder, what do you even use these for in real life? Like, I've never seen something like this. SOS. Then it's small. What? Like, where do I see this? Where would I ever, like, use this? Ever? I don't know why it's rotating itself. Yeah. I think I get the gist of it. Let's just like go full crazy sicko mode now. Okay. This thing. Spare. Turn on the X-ray. Where the fuck is the X-ray? Oh, it's already on. There we go. Okay, button, cool. Maybe you can sculpt this to be like a better shape. Like, I can just like... Is this how you model? There's so many hair. How do I not get overwhelmed with this? Like, what is this? Bend boundary cloth? What? Relax? What? And these images as well. They were like, oh yeah, we're going to add images, guys. This is going to help people understand what the thing does. I have no idea what this is. Oh, this is actually quite simple to understand. Push, but isn't that like the whole point of like the sculpting to push something? But it makes this like into a cloth. Yeah, push cloth. So it, like it's like it's a hat or something. Oh, this is actually funny. It's actually really fun. Oh, I can just like move it like paper. Oh, I like this. Okay, let me try some other things. This is learning. If you don't know, guys, this is like just a learning stream. Oh, my camera fucking died again. This is just like a learning stream, so don't expect everything to be like a professional workflow here. Okay. The blob. Okay, it's called the blob. Okay, it's cool. The size there is probably way higher than what I should have. Also, I know this is not useful to the model. I'm just experimenting. Okay, clay. What is this clay? Okay, so this is like it's. Okay, I can see the difference. This is like directly just like making it bigger. This is also making it like in the direction that my mouse goes. So if I, for example, like do like this very much, it's going to like tilt this way, right? This way. Or for you, it's this. On this one, if I do the same, it's not going to like be the same. Okay, so that's the difference between those. Clay strips. The same as Clay Brush, this is this one, okay. But more aggressive with square fall of a common standard for building rough volumes. Okay, boring. Clay Thumb, specifically for emulating the effect of running your thumb over surfaces. Is that like something? What? I mean, nothing particularly happened. It's like, it's a smaller point. Oh, it's not smaller. Crease polish. It's probably just like smoothens everything out, I guess. Okay, this does nothing, cool. This one as well. They're red, so I assume that they require some what are they called? There's like this thing that came up when you pressed E or something. No, I'm not sure. Oh, this is cool. I'm not sure how it's useful though, but it's cool. Kind of like paint. Oh, nice. Oh, it's different colors. Oh, that's fun. Maybe we can have a colorful... Oh, it didn't change anything. Boring. Boring. Twist. Oh, I know what this is. And also, how do I unpaint this? In case it like suddenly does something. I like the cloth here. It's very smooth. And I can like understand what it does. It's like, okay, it's pushing. It's pushing it. It's easy to understand. Let's see. Okay, I think we're done with like messing around with the with the model now, guys. Okay. Excuse me for that. I just had to experiment. Button. Oh, button top. And let's just make this red. I think this is honestly like what we need, and then we can just subdivide this maybe a bit more. Yeah. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to implement this into my game just to see how it looks. So I can export this as maybe delete this image here. And also know when I like import something from Sketchfab and stuff, it has the camera here and the lighting, which I don't need. So I can first of all save this to the models podium. And then I can export. I think this is easiest. Let's find the game folder. Maybe I shouldn't show all my projects. Maybe that's bad privacy. Okay, there we go. That's a folder. Models button. Podium 1. Export. Export. Okay, so you can see the old thing here. I also implemented this, like I'm not going to use this. It doesn't fit like the puzzle game vibe at all, but let me just show you something cool I implemented in this game. Oh, now it's trippy. It's like downside of having an ultra wide monitor is that you cannot just show your entire monitor. You need to crop it. Okay, let me show you this cool what's the scene view? Let me show you this cool weapon I added. It's like a grapple. Oh, holy fuck, that button is big. Yeah, I added this like grappling gun. I think that's really cool. I'm not going to use this in the game, and also it's like there are some flaws with this. I know, like the line here is like lagging and stuff. As I said, I'm not going to use it, but I think this is really cool. There's also some like wind sound effects. You can probably hear that if you listen very closely. Oh, went off the screen. And then I have this like dragging system, which I really enjoy. Really happy with that. The dragging system I will implement into the game because that's how you pick up things in the game. But yeah, I think this is really cool. It's kind of like the one in Carlson when I think about it. But this one is, it's actually the player here is actually a character controller. You look at this. The thing is though, when I grapple, it's disabled. It gets disabled, as you can see. Now the gun is way off. I'm not sure why, but yeah. My point is, the character controller, you can see that it gets disabled. And then the rigid body here is also turned to is kinematic, basically turned off when the character controller is on, so that I just walk with the character controller and the code. And for some reason I'm very slow. It's like a bug, but it doesn't matter. I'm as I said again. That's programming. There's also always going to be some problems that come up. I'm pretty sure that's because I have the rigid body and it just doesn't work to have it at all. But it was gravity enabled though. Is gravity enabled? No, it's kinematic. Then I freeze the rotation as well. Maybe that doesn't matter because it's not. Not sure why it does that. Maybe someone smarter than me knows, but I actually have no idea why a kinematic rigid body with no gravity like slows me down and doesn't just like destroy something, or preferably just works. I have no idea, but doesn't matter. That's not the point. I'm not going to use the grappling gun again, so okay. Let's just move this out of the way. And this is my podium. Okay, this is what we made. Doesn't look perfect, and also I don't think the smoothness was like exported. Maybe I need to let's look at this. Maybe I need to, oh, that wasn't the point. Maybe I need to apply it, and then when I export, maybe they just like ignore Podium 2 export. Let's see. Okay, you just need to apply something to make it apply. Okay, makes sense. The podium should be right there, and that's way too tall. And also the rigid body is annoying, so fuck you. Oh, now it's so tiny and it doesn't have a collider. Okay. Makes sense to have it on this one. I'm just like trying things out there, guys. Rule to activate. Let's say everything bounces. That's a fun one. Oh, the button. Oh, it's like down there. What? Okay. Okay, it doesn't matter. I don't need to implement the functionality. Basically, when you press the button, it gets pressed. That's like the point. First of all, the button is way too small. But I think the shape is actually good. I don't think that's a problem, to be honest. I think this like half circle works perfectly fine. Yeah, looks perfectly fine. Oh, my camera died. Sorry. It's just like... I'll have my camera back on in a second. Just need to charge like a second and then it will stop turning it back off. But also, I think the shape on this is nice. I don't see like much wrong with this. And I'm not sure it would even be maybe I just like completed this video immediately. That it was actually just super easy because this doesn't look good, but it doesn't look horrible either. I don't think like making it go down is like better. Is this how the podium looks though? To be honest, I don't even know what I like want in the game, because I can look at this. Okay, I actually think I did quite a good job on this. Oh, there's no lighting here. Maybe I can make a light. We can learn that as well, guys. Or maybe not. Why is there like an ad section but there's no light? What? 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 Why couldn't they just add like light hair? What's hard about that? This is like a small menu. Light. Oh, there we go. Okay, oh, fuck, I'm stupid. Yeah, I was in edit mode. That seems to be like a big problem in Blender that I'm just like in edit mode, and I forget. It's also weird how like in edit mode, the add menu is different from object mode. Maybe I know scoping, but that's weird. That's way too small. There we go. I just want to see how like it looks basically. That's the goal. With like different lighting. This is very weak though. Very weak. It looks kind of cool though to have it like down there. Also, if you just like tuned in, this is like a learning stream. I'm just like playing around. And then my objective is basically to like try making a cool button that I can use in my game, which is called Forbidden Buttons. So the button model there, which is going to be repeated in like every room. It's a puzzle game. It's going to be very important. So that's why I'm doing this. Yes. You have the sun hair. I added this like previously when I was like experimenting, and then it was like super bright. Yeah. Oh, so that's not actually that bright. It's like a nice baseline, but I don't. It comes from the top. Some of these things make no sense. Like what? Okay, maybe not. Let's not do that one again. But I don't understand like the lighting here. Okay, so I understand that it comes from like the top. Okay, but it just seems like the radius, especially this one, the radius on this one is really big. So why does it not cover more? What if I just like have two? One on each side. Better? Yeah. Maybe a bit more like this. It's brighter, yeah. Absolutely. I think this is good. Yeah. So I will say I actually learned a lot from doing this. It's like always nice to just like go around and experiment. Especially since I watched the tutorial today. It's very good to like watch the introduction video and then you immediately try to implement the things that you just learned. Instead of like watching it and then like 3 days or like even the day after can be really horrible. You try to like do the same things and you don't remember anything. Because like even if I struggle with something now, they're going to come back really much easier. If I like need to search for something, it's like, okay, aha, I knew this. But if it's like 3 days in the future, it's going to be a bit more like, okay, yeah, you don't really remember it. So I'm glad I did this. This is like experimenting. I'm going to do much more of this in the future. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this